I think we just got in a cloud, everyone. Not the best day in the world, but hopefully tomorrow's a little better. We're almost up to the campsite, so hopefully I can show you a little bit, but if not, we'll wait till this rain passes. Alright everyone, so I just got up to camp up here and it is just raining sideways. Guess it's what you'd call an Oregon June beauty today. June gloom's just not giving up on us. I'm gonna wait it out in the car for a little while longer. So down below here is another campsite. I've never stayed here before just because it's a little lower on this mountain and it's also not very flat, so not the best place to camp. Just waiting out a little rainstorm. They just keep on passing by. Alright folks, so now that it stopped raining, I'm gonna get some dinner going. Time to cook up the beans for the tacos. It's probably gonna attract the bears from miles away, but hey, you know what? I gotta eat, so you gotta do what you gotta do. And it just keeps on raining. Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day. The rain has finally slowed down. What a view, everyone. Pacific Ocean. The clouds down to your right, coming in on the right part of the screen, is the Nehalem River. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's some sunlight, but it's being tough on us, everyone. So one thing that I like to do when I come to spots is make sure there's alternatives. So this spot I've never had an issue at getting before, but it's bound to happen at some point just based off the view. So it's always good to have an alternative spot in the same general area. So this spot actually has this one right down here, but then there's also two other spots down below that I'll show you in a second. Alright, so I just stumbled upon this. Don't think this is a good sign. Looks like cougar poop to me. Not a good sign. Alright everyone, so I'm gonna head down from this area. It's actually really cold up here even though the sun's coming out. I'm gonna go explore some other stuff in the area. Alright folks, so I just got up to the road I was going to go to, and unfortunately there's a very large logging operation. So this is public lands, there was no signs, but I'm not sure how welcome I feel here, so I'm going to head back down to the river and see if I can hang out down there for a little while. What a beautiful creek. I don't think you can see how deep it is, but right where the camera's pointed is probably about 15 feet down there. I really wish I could get down to this section of Soapstone Creek. Really, really pretty. Alright everyone, so I appreciate you tuning in for this episode. It's been raining on and off. I'm going to probably call it here. Weather's just not turning out favorable this time. So thank you for checking in.